Sekuphela izinsuku ezinhlanu kwenzekele enhlekelele Enyobeni. Ingaphakathi lendawo yokucima ukoma lisakhombisa isiphithiphithi esiqhubeke ngetathakusa yangeSonto. Indawo isanjengoba yayinjalo ngenkathi kwenzekele isigameko. Abasindile, imindeni yabashonile kanye nomphakathi balinde ngabomvu umphumela wophenyo.
I must also take this opportunity to dismiss all the speculations that have been made, because such speculations have a potential to cast doubts on the investigations that are currently underway, which are being conducted by our detectives. We call for people to come forward if they have any information.
Ngenkathi uphenyo luqhubeka, abantu baloku beqhubekile nokubamba izinkonzo zokukhumbula intsha engamashumi amabili nanye elahlekelwe impilo yazo.
Yes, we are definitely working with the families. Yesterday we were part of a team that came to provide groceries for the families. We provide counseling to the families, and even post funerals we will be with the families, moving together with them.
Uhlelo lokuhlonzwa kwezidumbu ezingamashumi amabili nanye seluphothulile kanti imindeni isinikeziwe izidumbu.